Hey guys, it's Tomatoda here, and I know this is typically not a video that you guys like to see, but it's a video that you're gonna get. Also, because a plaster's shelf life is like 3 to 6 months, and it's been almost 6 months, so I wanted to make this video before it goes bad. Last time, you guys saw that I kind of failed with the yellow coloring. So I actually purchased this yellow tempera powder, and it worked perfectly well when I tried it out. 2 parts plaster. Thanks. I'm creating a fucking mess. And before you put in the water, I'm gonna put in the tempera paint. A generous amount to get it really yellow. And then mix it. And the color that you see completely mixed will be the same color when you pour and it dries and is completed. So make sure you get the right amount of yellowness that you desire. Then add the water. Man, I fucking suck today. Mmm. Delicious yellow soup. $1 million for a bowl. Yikes, I'm gonna put it on the ground. Look at that. Oh no! Yeah, sorry, I know this is really like not the best quality, but I'm not feeling well. I'm feeling kind of sick, but I really wanted to make this video today, and I'm stubborn, so I was like, I'm gonna do it anyways. It's gonna be very half-assed, very whatever. But it's done, and it's out of my mind, so I can move on to something else. Okay, I think the consistency is like good enough. So I'm gonna pour it into the cavities. I'm gonna do a little bit at a time so I can tap out the bubbles. I like to also kind of like squish the face in, because sometimes bubbles, yikes, sometimes bubbles will get stuck in the facial features. So I kind of do this as like a way to wiggle out the bubbles. And now we're gonna set this aside, and we're gonna just let it dry over there. Yikes! Woo! And then I bought these on AliExpress. Well, I bought that on AliExpress too. Anyways, it comes in like a set of 6, but I cut them up just so I can easily tap them out. And this is going to be the base of the Gudetama. So these are going to be filled with white, and you only want to fill it up maybe halfway or a little bit above halfway. Alright, gonna let everything dry, and then we'll come back to it in about 10 minutes, hopefully 10 minutes, BRB. I'm going to demold these. They're still warm because, you know, it heats up really hot, so, you know, just be careful. But hey, 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 looking pretty good. Hey, hey, hey. Nice, nice. Kinda nice. Not nice at all. Now we're gonna fill in the rest with the same amount as last time, and then you're just gonna kind of like blop, 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 and take off the little extra pieces on the sides. You just kind of snap them off. It's a little bit satisfying. Pour it in, tap it out, just light taps. And then I take my glove off so I have a clean hand. I'm gonna just drop these into there. Oh, I guess I don't really drop it, I placed it. Oh shit. I'm gonna just cover it up with a, there you go, in between your crotch. And give them a good even tap. And then you just let it dry. Alright, this should be dry now. I'm gonna demold. Now, as it dries, it's gonna get whiter. It looks a little bit like grayish at the moment, but trust me, it will whiten as it completely dries. Next, we are going to paint in the face. I don't need this cup anymore, so I'm just gonna pour it here. Mix a bit of water. That was too much water. Ah! Well, shit just happened. Anyways, take your... That one was still wet. We're gonna take your tool of choice, and then you're gonna paint in the details. Looks so funny. Alright, I'm done. I just need these to fully dry. Yeah, sorry for this half-assed video. It's just something I wanted to do and I just did it. Alright, hope you guys have a great day. Love you guys, and bye-bye.